Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. I'm gonna need an introduction. Let's go. Alright, so this is the matrices part of it. As I said guys, I'd love to do more work, but you don't know popularity. Like you have more classes, more everything, so you need more demand, but you don't know how to put subscribers in. So here is it. As promised, we look at the matrix past papers. In mid switch here, I'm gonna take some past papers and just go with them. Alright. I haven't seen anyone with coal in here. That's one of the one that I really want to look at. But I will just continue to work on them, get them in and think. Yeah. Big up everybody. And again, guys, you are encouraged to try. See the number then 5492161. If you want to be a part of the class, send me a message. And do some work together. You know what I mean? Alright, let's go. But guys, you're not link the fast because they don't know demand it and do something in the order that people comes. Alright, so it says find the product, find the matrix product. Now product means to multiply, so for instance, so we have some form of multiplication. Alright, so let me just alright, so how do we multiply matrix? It's row by column. So you basically have one column and we have two rows. Now rows run from left to right. Alright, so we have two rows. So what it is, I'm gonna use row 1 first. This is row 1 and this is row 2. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is to multiply. So it's gonna be negative 1 times k. That gives us negative 1k, or you can just write k. It's understood to be 1k, and then 3 times 5, which is 50. So these are unlike terms, we can add them. So we just have to go down to the second row. So it will be 4 times k, which gives us 4k. And then h times 5. Normally with maths, we put the number at the front. So even though it's h5, we're going to write 5h. Alright, so that will be the matrix product of that. And let's go down so the magnets were. Oh boy. Oh lord. Alright, so it says hence find the values of each and k that satisfy the matrix equation. Alright, so we have to do it over again. So what you could do in your exam, you could just rewrite it back, right? So I'm gonna do it again. So negative 1 times k, that's negative k. 3 times 5, 50. But what is different, it told us that this was equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. 4 times k, that's 4k. And again, each times that would be 5h. And again, this is also equal to 0. Alright, so I was thinking about simultaneous equation, however, there's no h here, so I'm going to take a single one. I'm going to take negative k, I cancel for k first. So we're going to subtract 15 from both sides, so this becomes negative 15. So therefore, we divide by negative 1 to get rid of the negative. So now we have k is equal to 50. Alright, so we found the value of k. Let us figure out what is the value of h. So we can take this equation that says 4k plus 5h. What we do, since we know that k is 15, we substitute the value. We're going to substitute the value in the equation and then we solve, right? So 4k, that means 4 times 15 plus 5h. Don't know what h is, that's what I'm searching for, and that's equal to 0. So the bracket means to multiply, says 4 times 15 plus 5 times 0. So that will be 60 plus 5h. That was equal to 0. Again, we want h by itself. So what we're going to do is to transpose. So we're going to get rid of positive 60, so that becomes negative 60. If you don't know how to do that, guys, you really need to go back and look at some of my other figures or other person's channel, alright? And then we divide by 5. So each 5 into 60, 12 times. So it's negative 12. So the value of each is negative 12. We can do a little rough check, can we? We do a little rough check to see if it's correct. I like to do that, guys, because you know anything can happen. It's maths, alright? So one little error comes a big hit. Alright, so what we do, we're gonna substitute the value that we get. So we get k equal 15 and 8 equal negative 12. So what we do, we're gonna substitute these values and multiply it and see what we get. We both of it. Alright. So we rewrite this row by column, and this will give you guys an opportunity to, practice to multiply and all of that. Alright. So we multiply k hour 15, so 15 go per top, and h and negative 12. So this goes by 4 years. Alright, let's go now. So we're going to multiply that and see. This one will give us 0 for both of them, both x and y value. So negative 1 times 15, that's negative 15. 3 times 5 give you plus 50. Alright, that works out to 0. So we sure say the value of k is correct. Alright, because it checks out. Let's us do the next one now. Again, row by column, so it's going to be 4 times negative 12 or positive 60. And negative 12 times 5 minus 60. That is also equal to 0. So here, guys, both of them are correct. Alright, it doesn't hurt to check your work. Alright, guys, on to the final part, and it says use a matrix method to solve the simultaneous equation. So you guys go ahead and solve that, and then I will step in. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Try, guys. Alright. Let's go. If you're watching the playback, please ensure you are trying also. This is one of the videos that I'm not gonna say like or anything, alright? Alright, so let's solve for the value of x and the value for y using the simultaneous equation method. Alright. Alright, so first we want to rewrite it in the matrix form, and to do that we take the coefficients. So all the numbers in front of x and the number in front of y, we're going to write. Alright, so first we write 2. This is kind of a simplified version of doing it, so guys, just please forgive me. And nobody, please don't send it to me HO. She said I'm not to do it, so what? Yo! Scholar take a look at shortcut. So, no. But I just do it because students tend to understand when I do it like this. So alright. So that's the first thing. This is in the matrix form. Usually they will ask you for this, where they have like ax equal b or something like that, right? That is this the answer. You get a mark for just this. So guys, if you really want to get a 1 answer for, you can. They don't demand a lot from you all the time. I know they do sometimes, but not all cases. So you get a mark for this. Next thing that you want to do is to find the inverse of the 2 by 2 matrix. Now our matrix is in the form A, B, C, D. So let me just write that. So it's AD minus BC. That's the formula that we use to find the determinant. AD minus BC. It's almost like you're writing an X. So it will be 2 times 1. I'm not going to show all the steps all the time in a guide, but minus 3 times negative 5. So let's work out 2 times 1, that's 2. Negative times a positive. Negative give you a positive, so 3, 5. So the determinant would be 70. But guess what? We're not done yet, So what it is, we put 1 over the determinant, which is 17. Next, we want to swap the position of A and B. So A going B there and B going B there. So A is 2, so we have 1 here, so 2 there, so. And then we change the sign of the second diagonal. So we have positive 3, that becomes minus 3, and this becomes positive 5. If you don't know how to find the inverse of the matrix, look on the channel and look up that. Alright, let's go. So it's 1 over 17. I just want to work that. Inverse 1, negative 3, 5, and 2. So what we want to do, we want to multiply by this is the result. And then now we have the xy. What this letter chip out is the identity. Multiplying the 2 by 2 matrix by its inverse, which will give me back 1, 0, 0, 1. So I kind of cut out that. So my HOD said I shouldn't do it, but guys, I don't know anything. Alright, so let's go. So we're gonna multiply row by column. So anybody wanna know a row or run from left to right? So it's 1 times 5, that's 5. Negative 3 times that will give us negative 39. Alright, so now we're going to be using 5, 2. So 5 times 5, that is what? 25. Remember, it's row by column. Students tend to mix up this, alright? And then we have 2 times 13, which is 26. Remember, we're supposed to have 1 over the determinant, so we have that right here. This must equal to xy. While we have the xy, the one at the top represents x, and the next one represents y. Alright, let's move into it. So 5 minus 39, that is going to give us negative 34, because the 39 is bigger. Do remember that? So that's negative 34. And then we want to add 25 plus 26. 6 and 5, 11, 1, 1. Alright, so that would be 51. Remember, it's 1 over the determinant, and that now equal to x, y. Alright, but we are not finished yet. What we need to do now, remember this is negative 34, what we need to do now is to divide each of these by 17, which is this 17 right here. So for the first one, let us rewrite x over here. So I'm submitting to go hard for you guys. Even if we not like the video, I just so you know what it is. So over 70, and then we have y equal 51 over 70. So this now works out to negative 2 and y, let's see how much, 3 times. So x is equal to negative 2, x equal negative 2, and y equal 3. And guys, if you know me, you know I'm gonna do a little rough check to see. Alright, so x supposed to be negative 2. Let's go over top and see. 2 times negative 2 for this one give us negative 4. And 3 is 9. So we have plus 9. Yeah, that works out to 5. Let's check it out for the next one. I think it's right though. 2 times that gives me negative 5 times 2. So let me give me positive 10. And then 10 plus 3 equals 30. So yeah, check out guys. Please do this in exam. You don't want to give away your marks. After you go publish on your channel and put in so much work, you don't want to give away your mark in the exam. So just ensure say you do a little double check, right? Everything already guys. X is equal to negative 2 and y equal 3. And guys, if they ask you for the matrix method, don't give them the regular method. Alright, do what they say. Be obedient. Alright, let's go. Alright, so on to another here. So the matrix M is defined as M is equal to 2p, negative 3, 4, and 1. Determine the value of p for which the matrix M is singular. Actually glad this one came up because you know it goes, right? A singular matrix. I want you guys to know that that is part of the syllabus. So yeah, let's go. What you guys think about it? Try it first, guys. What is a singular matrix? Let's proceed. You should have completed. If you had known, you should have completed by now. It's not really hard. I'm gonna be honest. If you know what's a singular matrix, then it is very easy. But if you don't know, you are gonna be very clueless. That is on my channel, so you guys can check that out. Alright. So I said the matrix M is defined as M is equal to 2p negative 3, 4, 1. Alright, so first of all, let me just rewrite it. So we have 2p negative 3, 4, and 1. And that's matrix M. Alright, if a matrix is singular, the determinant is equal to 0. Alright, so let me just type that. Normally said that equal 0. So our determinant is determined by AD. So let me just label this as A. Every matrix is in this form. I would have suggested that the previous question to this. So it's if the AD minus BC equals 0, then it's considered to be a singular matrix. If not, it is considered to be a non-singular matrix. Alright, so you either have a singular or non-singular in this case. Alright, so let us do that now. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna say 2p, because that's what AD means. 2p times 1 minus BC. So So we have minus 3, because remember the minus is a part of the formula, and 3 and b is negative 3 times that by 4 must equal to 0. So let's get the rule. So it's a 2p times 1, which gives us 2p. Negative times a negative, that's positive. Or we can say negative 3 times 4, negative 12. I just want to show the step for the first school. That's the math so wonderful. Alright. Calculate for everyone in the world. Calculate for everyone. So this becomes positive, so it will be 2p plus 12, and that must equal to 0, because these two signs, two negative, become a positive. So therefore, in the end, we're going to get 2p equal negative 12, because we're going to subtract 12 from both sides. If I don't know this, revise on my equations, alright? Everything is already on my channel. Sometimes I can't explain every single thing. So the value p equal negative 6 should make this the 0. Let us check. So it's 2p, so it's 2 times negative 6, negative 3, 4, and 1. Let's see if this works out to 0. 2 times that will give us negative 12. Negative 12 times 1 minus negative 3 times 4. Let's work out this. Work out to 0. This gives us negative 12. This times this gives a positive, so I get 12. So therefore, it did work out to 0. So we got Mr. Sharp, what's teacher? Alright, so it worked out to 0, so that means it is a singular matrix, and the value, this will be our answer. P equal negative minus 6 would be the correct answer. Sharp was sending TikTok. Guys, guess what? I'll be with this here now. Big up Mr. Sharp, see you later. Richie, I don't know. Alright, so it's a and B are 2 by 2 matrix such that A is equal to 1, 2, negative 4, and 3, and B is equal to 5, negative 1. And they're asking us to find the value 2A plus B. Go ahead and try that one, guys, and then we can proceed. Alright, 2 minutes to do that. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hit the like button. Let me know after that. Go ahead, guys, and try that one, alright? One minute gone, guys. Let's go, let's go. Push yourself. Let's go. Look everybody who is a part of my channel, by the way. Alright. So it says 2a plus b. That might seem very complex, but it's very simple. Alright. First, we want to rewrite this. So 2a actually means 2 multiplied by all of what is 50. So we're going to increase everything by that's it, guys. That's and then we add b to that. So b says 5 negative 1, so let's put the plus 5. Alright, so what we do now is to say 2 times 1, that is 2. So we multiply everything by 2. 2 times 1, that's 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times negative 4, negative 8. Or we use from Excel, so 2, 3, 6. What else do you use then? I can remember my name, but look yourself to do. Become about 13 or so. Yeah, need more use like look yourself. So after we do that now, how do we add matrix? Well, we add matrix by adding the corresponding position. So it's gonna be 2 matches with 5, so it's gonna be 2 plus 5, and then 4 plus negative 1. Negative 8 plus 0, and then 6 plus 3. So guys, it's just about the position. Alright? This the first one in this. Second one in this. Second one in this. You guys must get the picture. Alright? So 2 plus 5 is only 2 marks. 2 plus 5 is 7. 4 plus minus 1 it was 3, and negative 8 plus 30 plus negative 8, and then 6 plus 3 works out to 9. And that will be our answer. Alright. So guys, ensure that you get full marks from these. Alright. Alright, so it says determine b to the minus 1, which is the inverse of b. So let me just rewrite b. Let me go back up. It's supposed to be again. B was 5, negative 1, 3, and 2. So 5, negative 1, 3, and 0. 5, negative 1. That's 5, negative 1, 3, and 0. So we have to find the inverse of this. Very important. So to find the inverse, the first lesson is the ABC. We have done that on a previous paper, so everyone should be familiar. But just in case you just join in and you don't get a chance to watch the paper, so it could be AB minus BC. So 5 times 0, that's 0. I'm just show it. So it's like making an X. 5 times 0. Anything times 0 is 0. Minus, that's a part of the formula, negative 1 times 3. So this works out to 0. Negative, negative 3. And we know that once you have 2 negative, 1 positive. So x is works out to 3. So to find the inverse, say 1 over 3, that's 1 over the determinant. Let's look at the adjoint now. Swap 5 and 0, so 0 got result. Change the sign of these. So on diagonal, so that become positive 1 and that negative 3. So there we have it. That would make the inverse of the. Alright, so guys, you must be able to do the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Alright, let's go down to the final part of it. This one, look at it. It says, given that, let me just go. It says, given that 5, negative 1, 0, 3, x that equal 90, calculate the values of x and y. So we're just going to multiply So unless I use for them, so it's row by column. So you put up the first one in row, and use the second one also. Alright, so it's row by column. Let's go. So it's gonna be 5 times x, that is 5x, negative 1 times y, that's equal to minus y, and that must equal to 9, and then 0 times x, that is 0 basically. I'm just gonna put 0x, and then 3 times y is equal to 3y, and that must equal to this, which is 3. Alright, so based off of what I'm seeing, it seems like it's a simultaneous equation. Alright, so put it along with, I'm gonna multiply it by 3 and by 1. What I'm gonna do is to get rid of the y first, so 3, 5, 15. 3 times negative y, that's negative 3y, and 3 times 9, 27. 1 times anything and basically anything. So we have 0x here. So I'm going to put it as on people. And of course, and that equals 3y, and 1 times 3, 3. Alright, so to get rid of the y, 1 is negative and 1 is positive. So we have to add the entire equation, Like a question, like it. So 15 plus 0, that's 15x. Remember, this is going to be 0. 1 is negative, 1 positive, that's why I multiply. And 27 plus that equals 30. So what it means, the value of x is 2. You divide by 15, I appreciate them people the word. I like that question, So x is equal to 2. The value of x works out 2. Let us see if we can figure out what's y is based off of this. So we know the value of x to be 2. We use equation 2. Much simpler. It doesn't matter. We use equation 1. So we have 5x minus y. What which one equation you guys prefer to use? Type that in the comment section. Equal 9. So we know say x are 2. So anyway we say x we substitute the value in here, which is 2. Minus equal to 9. So 5 times 10 minus y. So this is a positive 10. So we take the inverse, which is 2 minus 10. So it's going to be 9 minus 10. So negative y is equal to negative 1. And then we divide both sides by negative 1 because we want a positive y. So that works out to 1. Let us see if we had used 0. If we had gotten. So if we use 0x, so it would be 0 times 2 plus 3y equal to 3. 0 times 2, that is 0, plus 3y equal to 3. So let's drop the 0. So 3y is equal to 3, and then we divide by 3. So yeah, doesn't matter which of them you use, you will get the same answer. Alright. Alright, so another year, another paper. Go ahead and try that one, guys. We have done what it says, write the following equation: 3x plus 2y equal negative 1 and 5x plus 4y equals 6 in the form ax equal b, where a, x, b are matrices. And it's a using matrix method to solve for x and y. So go ahead and do that one. We have looked at one similar, right? So everyone should be able to complete that one on their own without any help, alright? Alright, so you should be finished by now. So guys, on the previous paper, it's the same video, but on a previous paper. Alright, so we rewrite by taking the coefficient, so it's going to be 3. Luckily, it's all positive numbers, so it should be very easy. Then we have x, y. I think this is too thick for the space. That must equal to negative 1, 6. Alright, let's go. So we find the inverse of 3 4 is 12 minus that gives us 2. So it's 1 over 2. Shortcut we know guys, how we do it already, right? Solve this. 4 and 3, which is a and b. And then we have minus 2 minus 5. Change the second diagonal. And then we multiply by negative 1 and 6. And that will give us our answer. Let's put top one on x, next one on y. Alright, so 2 4 ones, negative 4, negative 2 times 6, that will give us, so 4 ones are 4 times, so this way, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, negative 2 times that, negative 12. Alright, let's subtract 4 times that, negative 4, negative 2 times 6. Alright, so we're on to 5, 3 now. So 5 times 1 is going to give us 5, both of them negative. 3 times 6 will give us 8. And then we will multiply by 2. So boom, so it gives us negative 16, and this gives us 23. So we divide 2 into that. X equal negative 8, and this equal 11, 22, 11 and a half. Let us check. So 3 times 8, 3 times 8, or 24. So that's negative 24. I'm just checking. 2 times 11 and a half, that's 23. So yeah, we work out for that one. It work out to negative 1. Let's check again. 5 times negative 8. 5 8 or 40. So that's 40. And then 4 times 11.5. So let's see, 4 times 11, 44, and that 46. Yeah, it's correct. So guys, it doesn't hurt to check it, alright? One is negative and one is positive, so we subtract the sign of the bigger one, so that's 6. Alright, let's go with the right button, guys. Hit the right button. Alright, so this one says the matrix M is defined as M is equal to 7 to P negative 1, and it says determine the value of for which the matrix does not have an inverse. Alright, so same thing. If the determinant is 0, it cannot have inverse because we can't divide by 0. So this is just another fancy way of saying it's a singular matrix. Alright, so guys, just watch the wording careful. Alright, so what we know that every matrix is in the form P, C. Alright, so multiply E times D minus BC, and that's equal to 0. So I'm going to do the freestyle here. 7 times negative 1 minus 2 times P is 2P, and that must equal to 0. So 7 ones, negative 7 minus 2P. I'll just solve it P from here. So it would be negative 2P equal, add 17. This is the minus. We take the inverse of minus, which is plus, so that gives us plus 7. And then we divide by. Here we have it. 2 marks in the back. So P, don't forget the negative, is equal to negative 3.5. So if you put negative 3.5 for P, then matrix turns out to 0. Now let's check. 7 times 1, negative 7. 2 times negative 3 is going to give us negative 7. And then we're going to have minus 7 minus 7, which gives us a plus in the middle, and it works out this here. For those who want to see it, this is what it looks like, right? 7 times 1, negative 7, with a minus, and then 2 times negative 3 is going to give us another negative 7. To the end of the plus right there, with this one. Just turn 0. Alright, so the last one, I think. Can you hear my voice? I'm so tired, guys. It says express the equation in the form. I didn't want us to solve for this one. But what I want you guys to do is to solve for it. Thanks for watching, guys. Voice is a little bit low because I'm really tired, and I tell myself I will not do videos when I'm tired because I'm already. But at the end of the day, guys, I'm trying to reach out to persons who need the help. So it is kind of better I do it tired than none at all. Because if I follow the word, it's going to be so tough. So first write it in this form. We had already discussed that. We take the coefficient. And then we have xy. When I do this freestyle, right? So I'm expecting everyone should be able to think for themselves like that. If not, then just run in the step back. 4 3 is 12. So it's gonna be 12 minus 2 is 4. So that is 1 over 16. I'm just gonna hurry up on this one. Alright, so we swap 3 and 4. Change the sign of this, so this becomes positive 2. I'm gonna be multiplying. What was this again? Oh, negative 2, positive. So 4 and 3 swap, and then this will become positive. So this is 2. Why this looks so? Oh, because the line go down in line, go down the guys. So I'm gonna rush it. Yes, complete an hour rushing now. Alright, so we just put the 2, and take the opposite of this. And then we're gonna be times by 0 and 4. So just remember it's row by column, so 3 0 0 2 4 is 8, so plus 8 times negative times that, it's gonna give us 0, and 4 times 4 60. Remember, we have 1 over 16. So x is equal to 8 over 16. So x are half. And y equal to 1 based on this. So y are 16 over 16. And let us just check this correct. So x are half. 4 times a half. That gives us 2. Y are 1. 2 ones 2. You get that. 2 times a half are 1. 3 times 1, 3. There you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Guys, my number is on the top of the page, alright? So, see you guys soon. I'm trying to do a video for every day. I don't know how that is possible, but I'm trying. So you guys just have to try, spread the word, share to the teacher, share to the friends, share to everybody, the neighbor, everybody, alright? You know, you put it on your status, put it on your social media. Alright, so we can help as many people as possible. This is an explain it amount, no doubt. See you guys in the video.